before we start today's video, just want to tell everyone, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell notification so you can get notified every time I post videos.
Perfect.
Alright guys, I'm at a new area to bash. I gotta take a short little hike, get across this little river here. I got the Revo 2.0 out. I tweaked some settings and I'm going to do some more testing and see how it is. So I gotta cross this little creek here, try to get over here. I think this is kind of unnecessary. Probably could have parked somewhere else, but yeah, we're gonna do this. The water's not that deep. Oh, I got my boots. Not a big deal. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. All right. So there's a new construction site. I didn't really want to park over there. Just kind of trying to low key get over there. So here we go. All right. Now we're gonna come over. Yeah, here we go. No problem. To this old railroad tracks. And boom, easy enough. So last time I had the Revo out for the first shakedown, it went okay. Nothing too crazy. Truck didn't feel so great, so I went ahead and changed some settings. So I changed the punch up to 100, and I think that was about it. I'm unsure of really how to set this Mamba Monster X up to so many different settings. I don't really know what to do. So yeah, we're gonna give it another go now. I can see the dirt piles I want to bash, so let's bash, guys. All right, so here we go. I got my Mamba X. I got that Hobby Star motor, running some graphene batteries. See how this thing does. I got the stock tires. They didn't seem so great last time, but I guess maybe I should vent them. But yeah, we're just gonna give this thing a little bit of love right now, see how she does. This will be the second time on the rebuild running it. It's a little windy, so hopefully all the audio comes up good. If it's not, I'm just gonna throw some music over it, guys. I try to like to do the commentary as of late, but yeah, it's kind of windy out, but it's nice and cool, so let's do this. All right, here we are. Oh, yeah, it's all over the place. It just bounces like crazy all over. Oh yeah. Oh. It's a little more rocky here than I thought. It looked like there's some more piles I could hit. That stuff's too soft, so it just sinks in. So I kind of only got this base pile here. And see, it's just spinning out. Guess it's just some of the loose dirt. Ooh, right on the roof. That actually wasn't too bad though. Let's look around a little bit. Nice. Oh. I think my suspension's a little too stiff, so that might be something I gotta work on. Nice. Rocks are flying. Right at myself. See that one? That was nuts. Truck bounced at the last second and went over the wrong way. So this location is not as good as I had hoped, but it's all good. Truck looks sick. Oh, I landed that, I guess, but I didn't get it on camera. Let's see if I can do that again. Oh! Ah, see, it just comes right ass around right there. Be quiet, plane. Oh, I almost saved that. Nice. Ooh. Hit myself in the foot. That's embarrassing. Yeah. Try to get some air. Brakes really bring it down. The brakes are very strong. Oh! Oh, we lost power. Looks like we tweaked the wing mount. Ugh. Oh no! My ESC didn't stay on. Oh, what is this wire? It's a wire to the ESC there. I knew that servo tape wasn't going to hold very good. It's a little warm. The fan's not working. Not good. Well, that sucks. Alright, so my servo tape here never holds. It's some 3M stuff. It was on there pretty good, but I don't know how else to get this ESC to stick to this chassis, because it doesn't have any holes for bolts or anything. So that really sucks. Now this wire come out here. I'm not sure if I hit low voltage or this thing's messed up, but I'm not sure if this thing's messed up or what, but I'm not too happy about that. I'm gonna mess around here and see what happens. Well, all right, guys, that looks like it's gonna be it. I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, it wasn't that high up, but I mean, nothing else broke. It was just that tape on the ESC. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Maybe some better servo tape. But that's some heavy-duty 3M double-sided tape that I'm using. I really don't know how else I'd glue it on. You know, I really don't want to use super glue or anything like that. So if anyone's got any suggestions, let me know what you guys would do to get that Mamba X mounted down. I'm gonna have to call it a day. It doesn't seem to want to fire back up, and it doesn't really matter if it does, because I can't drive it without, I got nothing to secure it back down. So it's gonna be a short bash session. I mean, it was nice to get out, trying to take advantage of the weather, but these are just some of the problems that I always have with this Revo. I don't dislike the truck, but one way or the other, it's kind of always something with this truck. Stuff breaks. It's a heavy truck. It's just not really designed, I don't think, to take a lot of these big airs. maybe it's me, I don't know. I mean, I guess nothing broke. I guess I'm just maybe upset. I'm not really trying to be negative, but usually when I go out with the Creighton, you know, I have a much better successful time rather. And same with that 4S Outcast. That thing is very durable, minus the stock electronics kind of suck, but not the motor and ESC power wise, but like the servo's not good and the radio kind of sucks. I just need to pick up a receiver, and that will be a simple fix. I'll use my DX5 rugged over there. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's gonna be it. I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but don't forget, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. You guys know the deal. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.